Georgia remains the epicenter of the AIDS epidemic.
Georgia leading every other state when it comes to new HIV diagnoses, and that has advocates angry that Governor Brian Kemp cut $4 million from the state budget that would have expanded Medicaid for Georgians with HIV. Tonight, our Joe Ripley is looking at both sides of this debate. Joe?
Good evening. The governor has historically opposed Medicaid expansion under the Affordable Care Act, and his office says that's what led him to block this funding for HIV patients. The governor's office pointing to $20 million in HIV funding included in the last couple of budgets. But healthcare advocates say Georgia could take better advantage of federal dollars by expanding Medicaid. The Kaiser Family Foundation says Medicaid is the largest source of insurance coverage for people with HIV. The Georgia House passed more than $4 million in funding that would pave the way for Medicaid expansion for those with HIV. But Governor Kemp vetoed the bipartisan measure. Jeff Graham with Georgia Equality calls it a missed opportunity.
It would be a game changer for people living with HIV and AIDS that are currently uninsured to make sure that they have access to a full range of quality healthcare services.
And now Graham worries victims of sex trafficking, the LGBTQ community, as well as people of color will feel the greatest impact in all of this. He says he will continue to push lawmakers to maximize that funding for those with HIV here in Georgia.